Welcome. This is Waec year 2018 comments past question. Question number 26 says information advertising is aimed at dash, that is informative advertising is aimed at dash, aim at that is the purpose. Aim means the purpose of informative advertisement or information advertising. A. Giving advice on the use of a product. B. Influencing customers to buy a product. C. Giving gifts to attract customers. D. Encouraging specific customers to buy a product. The correct option here is option A, which is giving advice on the use of a product, that is how that product should be used or how the buyer can make use of that product. So when we talk of informative advertisement, at disseminating information that we let consumer know what goods and services are available to and how to use them. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.